Hey, how you guys doing? Curdy Cool is back on the scene once again. Y'all know what I'm gonna talk about? I'm gonna talk about this narcissist, Patricia Robinson, one more time. Now that this narcissist, Patricia Robinson, is exposed, well, it's one of those things, y'all. This woman has been exposed worldwide. I mean, she has got everything, y'all. She's got my daughter for 15 years. She been running and hiding out. She totally destroyed the baby's mother's mind. She messed up all those other people's mind, their life inside of that cold home, yo, until nobody stands up and fight for anything in this life, yo. So now, you guys think about it. Hopefully this can be a learning tutorial on narcissist grandmas like Patricia Robinson. Y'all check this now. I got her all over the world. I'm telling my true story here, y'all. But this narcissist will do anything that she can within the family to try to assassinate Curdy Cool's character and try to make me seem like the bad guy. But this wicked witch, she is still collecting child support and collecting money. I don't care how much it is, you are still collecting child support money. You are still running and hiding. So that makes you a stone cold narcissist. So now, with these kind of narcissists, y'all, what they do now, they try to work on the kid's mind inside of that cold home. I mean, they got everybody right there in that cold home, yo. So it becomes a time and a point within this narcissist. All she would do is try to smear a campaign Curdy Cool's name, or try to make me seem like the bad guy, or tell all kind of lies when none of that stuff true. None of that stuff is true. Hey, yo, to my daughter who is listening out here, don't believe a damn thing that Patricia Robinson tells you out here. This woman is a stone cold narcissist who destroyed families. And she have done this for 16 years. She knew exactly what she was doing. She run and hide out, yo. And now she has been busted in the act. Curdy Cool has bust this wicked witch in the act. She is exposed worldwide. Now, she still have an option and a choice to do the right thing. But guess what? This narcissist do not want to respect Curdy Cool no kind of way, just like the way she did it in the very beginning, y'all. After my daughter came into this world, that cold-blooded narcissist, y'all, just lost total respect for Curdy Cool because she felt like that my back was totally up against the wall. So she knew she had to make a run for it, y'all. And that was to take my kid, run and hide out, just totally manipulate, brainwash that baby mother, y'all. Just mess her all up and tell a whole bunch of lies to the family, y'all. I think back, y'all, to these cold-blooded people, Patricia Robinson, and Veronica Robinson, y'all. Veronica Robinson went so low in the beginning to tell her friend Carla a whole bunch of lies about Curtie Cool, y'all. I mean, it was some things that they totally tried to assassinate my character. I mean, with all kind of crazy, abnormal stuff that they told this Carla, y'all. One of Veronica Robinson's best friends. I was able to locate Carla on Facebook years ago, y'all. Ooh, that woman had a nasty attitude toward me. She messaged me. Patricia and Veronica told me that you are this or you are that. I mean, these people totally destroyed and assassinated my character. I still have all the emails, all the messages that Carla sent me. I mean, that woman totally turned on me like I was some kind of serial criminal or something, yeah. I mean, because Patricia Robinson and Veronica Robinson told so many lies, so many smear campaigns, and totally destroyed my character to try to make my daughter think the worst about her father, y'all. I mean, these people are low down dirty dogs. They don't have nothing else to do but hang around the house and be stone cold blooded narcissists, y'all. Now, what kind of people would try everything under the sun to destroy the other parent's character just to take full control over the kids, y'all? To have it all to themselves, y'all. So they did this, and they ran and hid out. So I finally got a chance to message Carla, and I told her, hey, look, don't you believe none of that stuff. They pretty much defamed my character. And I told Carla, you need to cut that right now. I'm the best man that could have ever happened for my daughter, being a good father. And for those people to do that smear campaign, my character, destroy my character, my image, to my daughter, and to all those people out there in that coat home, I mean, they totally tried to destroy my character and my image, y'all, to my daughter, to make her think and feel that I was this terrible man when I'm not. You know what I mean? So, now, what is your next move now, Patricia Robinson? Alexa already know who you truly are, and she know who her mother truly are. I mean, it's no other way to put it, but you guys are cold-blooded people. I mean, for her mother to do this to her father, when I supported this woman, y'all, I supported her all the way through the whole 9 months. And then Patricia Robinson was bringing that woman to my home, y'all. Waited up until this woman have our baby. And then she created all this manipulation, all this narcissist abuse. Totally destroyed everything. I mean, this Patricia Robinson is a stone cold wicked witch, y'all, in disguises, y'all. And now I got her out here in the spotlight. So now the only thing that is left for Patricia Robinson to do at this point is to continue on telling lies, making up lies with all these crazy people, y'all. I mean, it speaks for itself. Ain't none of them in the right mind. I'm not talking about Alex, because Lex did not have anything to do with this. But the rest of that crew, y'all, that Patricia Robinson totally destroyed these people's mind, messed them all up, y'all. Created all those lies, destroyed my character, tried to make me look like the bad guy, y'all. And they all are fighting against a good man out here for being a father. Now what y'all think about that? A crazy adopted grandmother and a crazy baby mother and a crazy ass fake pastor and a crazy ass man of rose. All these people, y'all, inside of this cold home was fighting against a good man. Because I was strong. I believe in myself. I know who I am. I know what I'm all about. I know what I want in life. Patricia Robinson couldn't stand it, y'all. She wanted to find anything and everything that she could to try to break me down. To my daughter, don't listen to nothing that narcissist Patricia Robinson has to say. She ain't no good. She had 16 years to destroy my daughter's father's life and are out here running and hiding and messed up my daughter's mother mind. That is exactly what she did. Patricia Robinson ain't no good, but just a big old ugly wicked witch. And I keep on putting her out here. I keep on telling my true story. Yeah, my honest to God true story. This is what Patricia Robinson does. She destroy families. I got her right. Destroying families, y'all. Messing everybody up, y'all. Took over all those people's mind, y'all. None of them don't know who their blood father is. That woman, Patricia Robinson, she ain't no good. It speaks for itself. Anybody can see what this woman is all about, y'all. Out here running and hiding with a man's kid that she did not even make, y'all. She only wanted the fun, but I tell you something, I stood up as a man in the eyesight of God. Can you say you can stand up and be a pure, true grandmother in the eyesight of God? No way, Jose, Patricia Robinson. You cannot stand before God and tell me that you are a genuine grandmother, because you are not, Patricia Robinson. You cannot. I stood up to be a man. I stood my ground to be a man. I'm taking care of my daughter. I did everything necessary to be a pure, genuine man. You couldn't fight the power. You could not fight it because you was too jealous, so evil, so wicked. You know what I mean? You wanted to totally destroy humanity for as a father, being a father to his own kid. You got a lot to pay for, Patricia Robinson, Veronica Robinson, Amanda Rose Lee, Marcus Robinson. Y'all got a lot to pay for. Sheep in wolves' clothing. And one day, when God's wrath come down on you like never before, that stuff will come back around on you guys. Because CURTIEECOOL did not deserve that kind of treatment from that crazy ass family, y'all. I don't care what you all say about CURTIEECOOL, but I'm standing up for my rights. I'm standing up for what is right. I tell my true story. I put my true story out here. I keep on exposing this wicked family. They ain't no good, y'all. Hey, y'all, I'm going to end this show. It is already expected. Patricia Robinson will continue on spreading lies, telling lies to my daughter to try to make herself look good. In reality, my daughter already know that Patricia Robinson is a wicked witch and a wicked narcissist. Narcissists does nothing but tell a whole bunch of lies and destroy people's character. That is what they do, just to only manipulate, have control, and try to keep control in order to keep something that does not belong to them. When you can't control a person, you do everything you can to try to destroy that person. And that is exactly what they tried to do to Curtie Cool. But you cannot destroy Curtie Cool. I keep on exposing. Hey, y'all, I'm going to end this show. Curtie Cool, y'all. Okay, bye.